We're at Harbor Island today, and we're laying the foundation for the sound studio on the second floor. Our homeowner loves music, and he plays the guitar, and he wants to be able to jam out without creating noise everywhere in the house. And so we're putting in Acoustablock and completely sealing the sound studio, because guess what? In your house, everything conducts noise. So we have to figure out how to minimize that, and that's what we're doing today. Follow me. The foundation of a sound studio is no different than any other room in your house. It has 2x4s, it has drywall, it has flooring and doors. But all of these products transmit sound, and so anyone else can hear you, especially if you're playing loud music. So how do we create an area that no one else can hear you? Well, engineers figured out long ago that rubber deadens sound. It absorbs it. And Acoustablock is a specific manufacturer that creates a sound deadening material that we put up inside the walls. It's fully sealed, taped, and caulked. And this creates a sound studio that you can play music till your heart's content and it doesn't disrupt the rest of your family. This is what we're going for. This project will be done in about 2 months. Come back then and we'll show you what it looks like. Until then, have a good day.